Hello and welcome back to my channel. We're at Butlins Bognor Regis staying in a seaside apartment, and I'm going to take you on a tour around showing you what you can expect if you're thinking of staying here. The seaside apartments are in Atlantic Bay, shown on the map in red. They're spread over 2 or 3 floors with external stairs. The kitchen is fitted with all the appliances you should need for a short break, including a microwave. There's an under-counter fridge with a small freezer box on top. In the cupboard you've got enough glasses and plates for 4 people. You get a complimentary tea and coffee tray. They give you a hygiene pack with tea towel, dishcloth, sponge and a small tube of washing up liquid. We've got a picnic-esque table and chairs in the kitchen, and they're super cute and nice and solid, but the chairs are really heavy. The apartments have general Freeview TV channels, free basic Wi-Fi and heating throughout. The windows have restricted opening for safety. The apartments are double glazed throughout, which means it keeps it toasty warm in the winter and cuts down some of the outside noise. One good thing about this apartment is all the plug sockets. That should be enough for all your electricals. I really like the theming in this apartment. The gold and the seaside apartments have very similar layout, but I think it's the bright colours and the joyful artwork that make these ones so much nicer, and if I had to pick one of the two, I would definitely stay in the seaside apartments. Coat hooks in the hallway and a full-length mirror. The master bedroom has a fair-sized double bed. From this side you can see the wardrobe, TV and vanity table. We've pushed the bed against the wall, which is fairly easy because it's on wheels, and put the 2 bedside tables next to each other, and I think there'd be enough space in here now for a travel cot if you needed one. The twin room has 2 single beds and a small wardrobe. These beds are really comfy, and they're big enough for adults. These apartments have a shower but no bath, and for hygiene purposes you're given an unopened pack of toilet paper, soap and a bath mat. There's plenty of storage room in the bathroom, and they have these little cubbies where you can put all your toiletries. One thing I've noticed is that all these apartments have really bad water pressure, so if you've got long or thick hair you might want to bring some dry shampoo or a hat. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like. If you want to see more from me in the future, then click the subscribe button right here. And if you want to see more from me right now, why not watch one of my other videos? And don't forget, if you carry on watching, I'll carry on travelling. Bye.